It was my right hip about a year ago starting to get aggravated, and because I had my left hip done 6 years ago over in Minnesota, I knew what the feeling was like. But this was deteriorating fast where I was thinking, wow, I don't know if I can ski this year. As my hip was deteriorating and it was getting more and more painful, I went to my rheumatologist at OSMS can you give me a referral? She pointed the finger right at Dr. Radel. So that was helpful. And then when we met with him, it just reaffirmed that this guy is really good and he knows what he's doing. And I think I was already telling him that cross country skiing is probably going to start in December. So I was pushing it to get it done as fast as I can. He gave me the okay, I think, in the middle of December. First time I went out, I think I went about a mile and felt pretty good and no pain after 2 months. I thought that was fantastic. And that gave me a really great feeling about OSMS, and the rheumatologist is also very good. So it's all gone really well at OSMS. Thanks to OSMS, I'm back.